Are you also adding your WooCommerce details to the Google Sheet manually? Then you are totally wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. This task can be completely automated by using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your WooCommerce details to the Google Sheet, and this automation will be built in within few minutes without even a single word coding. So now let me firstly show you the real-time working of this automation, and afterwards we will proceed towards creating this automation. So now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is Radiant Glow, it means serum. So I'm going to add it to my cart. And now let's proceed towards the checkout. So here we are landed to this checkout page where I have filled all these details of my user and the order. And here you can check out the email addresses test@pabblytunes.com, the first name, last name, and here I have provided the address, and here I have selected my payment options, cash on delivery. Now let's place the order, and now as soon as my order will be placed, the data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet, and here my order has been placed successfully. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving this order detail over there or not. So here you can see I'm landed to this Google Sheet named as WooCommerce orders, where you can check out I'm receiving all the details of the order and the customer too. So now you have seen the working of an automation which is adding the data in the Google Sheet as soon as an order is placed. So now you can also create an automation like this by just using Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating our automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting this chance for testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right here you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. And now let's move on towards the workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my WooCommerce. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as WooCommerce, and Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles. The first one is trigger, which I have recently told you about, and the second one is action. And here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheets, as I want to add my WooCommerce order details to the Google Sheet. And here you can select the trigger application according to the automation you are creating, or the application through which you want to receive the order details. So here I'm going to search for the WooCommerce, which can be seen here. Now let's select the app event as new order created. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account, as WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress. So right here I'm on the WordPress account, where on the sidebar we are getting this option for WooCommerce, and here we have to go towards the settings, and here I'm landed to the WooCommerce settings page, where you just have to select this option of advanced, and here I'm landed to this advanced page, where you can see this option of webhooks. So I'm going to just select it, and as I have selected this webhooks, I'm landed to this page where I'm going to add a new webhook. So for that we just have to click over this add webhook, and as I have selected this add webhook, I'm on this page where we have to provide the webhook data. So here I'm going to provide my webhook name as new order received. Now I'm going to select its status as active. Now here I'm going to select my topic as order created, means that this webhook URL should be triggered as soon as an order is created. And now here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received. Now I'm going to just save it by simply selecting this save webhook, and here as I have clicked over this button, my webhook webhook has been added successfully. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see we are receiving this webhook ID which shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now in this response, I want to get all my customer and the order details. So for that, we just have to click over this recapture webhook response and have to create a new order in our WooCommerce store. So now let's click over this recapture webhook response, and now let's move on towards my WooCommerce store, where I'm going to make a purchase. Now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is GG Glow Cream. So I'm going to add it to my cart, and now let's proceed towards the checkout. So here I'm landed to my checkout page, where I have filled all the information of my customer, and here you can check out the email address, and here I have provided the first name, last name, and provided the address, and here I have selected my payment option as cash on delivery. Now let's place the order, and here you can see that my order has been placed successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this response over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 13 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response B, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled. And here you can check out the user's details, and here you can see all my order details too, such as the product name and its quantity, and here you can check out the pricing of the order. So now here we have received the response. Now we just have to add this data to the Google Sheet. So for that, I'm going to use the second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is the action app. And now as soon as someone will place the order, the data will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect. Now we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to select action app as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here if you want to build a new connection, then you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. So I have selected the save button, and here my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for selecting the spreadsheet. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my this spreadsheet, that is WooCommerce orders, and as I have selected it, I'm getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the full name of my customer. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the full name like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually type the data of my customer or the order details, and that method is mapping. And now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from WooCommerce, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is WooCommerce. So from the response of the WooCommerce, I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped the last name as well. Now likewise, I'm going to map all these details. So here you can see that I have mapped the email address, phone number, address, product name, and the amount. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single response received on your WooCommerce. And now you don't have to manually check for the orders and add those order details to the Google Sheet, because this automation is going to do so. And here as I have mapped all these fields, now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this test data to the Google Sheet. And here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that our order detail might be added to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details such as full name, email, phone number, address, product name, and the amount too. So now here we have successfully saved my order details, and now no order will be missed. The data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet as soon as an order will be placed. So now you can also create this automation for any business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business, because this will help you to add your WooCommerce details to the Google Sheet instantly without typing even a single word. And I have created this automation within few minutes without any coding. So now you can also create this automation for your business too. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.